I was out flying today and I got done flying and I ran into this. Do you hear that? Sounds like a squeaky belt on a car. I don't know. It must be some parts in the motor. I don't know. I'm going to tear it apart here and find out. Okay, so we'll get started here. You ready? And voila! It's done. Okay, so to the motor here. What's going on with this one? I don't know. It's just awfully squeaky. Making all kinds of ruckus over here. So, like I said, I don't know if it's maybe just these gears rubbing against the plastic or if it's the actual motor, but I don't seem to be having any trouble out of the motor. So, I don't know. Huh. I'd say you guys want to see something cool, but I don't know how cool it's going to be or how this is going to work, so let's give it a try. This is going to be kind of funny. Okay, let's see if we can get this puppy to do something here. Okay, this is going to get scary, I think. Look at that, guys. The internal of the drone. And that's the gears all spinning. Everyone get an idea? See that? That's the gears spinning away, guys. I'm just waiting for one of them to flip up off of there real fast and fly over my head. I don't know if it'll do that or not, but we'll see, I guess. Landing. Oh, okay. So we'll get this one warmed up to see if that's what's going to cause that. And it's starting to make a little bit of the whiny sound, so let's do it some more then. Just want to get it good and warmed up just to see what happens. Like if I'm not flying normal, you know. So fun. Pew 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 pew. Okay, so yeah, I'm guessing it's in this motor, guys. Get it good and warmed up and it starts to make the noise. So you hear that? So that's the noise I'm looking for. So up and away. Okay, so now you hear that? So it is in the motor, I'm taking it. So I'm going to pull it out of there and take a look at it, see what I can find on it here. Alright guys, so let's take this off of here, shut this down, turn this off, take the battery back out. That was pretty cool. That was real cool. Alright guys, let's check this out, see what I got. I don't know, this motor, it must be something going on in there. Of course, the one I need to take out, the screw is stripped off the top. Of course, you know how that works. Quite honestly, this should pop out of here without even taking that screw out. There we be. I don't even have to take it out. Let's check that out. Even though it would be nice to separate it, but yeah, the motor got very warm. Now we're getting the sound of the, yeah. it don't feel shot or anything. I don't know, guys. If you know anything about this, I don't want to tear this one apart because that's what I did to my DX4, and oh yeah, I messed that one all up. So if you know anything about this and what might be causing this, comment below. Let me know. It might help a little bit because I'm just kind of dumbfounded here with this here idea of what's going on with it. I don't know. It gets warmed up and then it does it. I was kind of thinking that's what it was, but I first thought it might have been the idea of it just being the plastic rubbing the sides of it, but that's not the case, evidently. Alright guys, I'm going to turn it off and see if I could troubleshoot this. And like I said, if you know anything, let me know. Alright guys, thanks.